Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful 2008 Dodge Ram 1500 four-wheel drive quad cab Hemi Laramie. So with the trucks, you always get the long name plates and extended submodels, but this one is such a beautiful Dodge. And it's so well kept, and the reason for that is because it is a one-owner vehicle, and generally when we get the one-owner vehicles, they are very exceptional above the rest. But this one being a Laramie, you do get a fully loaded option of pretty much everything you could put in one of these Dodge Rams for this time period. Great truck. Really great. Came at a time before lifters became such a big deal with 13 and up models and that body style change, even 10 and up, but this 5.7 Hemi in these was like the ones of old, you know, back all the way down to 03. It was just really a great engine. Didn't give you a lot of fuss, gave you a ton of miles, just was a workhorse. So mechanically under the hood, all good, beautiful, no issues. Nice large chrome grille, chrome lower bumper, that's the Laramie talking, and then you got the chrome bug shield, very nice. Clean and clear headlights. The one on the left is a little hazy, the one on the right is really nice, so it looks like the sun got to that one a little bit more. Does come with fog lights, all the lights are working. Comes with these nice chrome wheels and chrome body side moldings, all Laramie inspired. Nitto tires, brand new cross tracks all the way around. That is a huge benefit because they are not cheap for these tires. They're very good tires here. This one would fall under the 20-inch category, so 20-inch wheels, it's a very expensive tire, so that is a nice selling feature of this truck. Does come with the fender flares riveted for the nice look appearance throughout the truck. Comes with the chrome running boards. It also has four-wheel disc brakes, plenty of stopping power. Very clean interior. This interior is protected by these Husky liners, plus it has the OEM floor mats up underneath, and then you have your original carpet up underneath that, so you can still see the fine crystals of that carpet. And there's just not a stain, a smoke smell, a pet smell, nothing on this interior. The dash is crack-free, free of any cracks. Absolutely beautiful interior. Comes with the original owner's manual. This is how you want to buy used cars, folks. When you have all of these features and nuances of the vehicle all come to play, it just makes for a really good quality used car. A car that you can safely buy to where you're not going to have to put a ton of money into it, and it's going to give you a lot of years. I mean, this is 10 times better than buying a new car. I mean, so what, you're gonna have a few small mechanical repairs along the way, but really when you come down to it, the money's in this truck versus buying a brand new Dodge. And I don't always say that because I'm a used car guy, but with just how it is, this makes total sense. So you get full power options, power windows, locks, mirrors, seat. You have the leather interior for the Laramie edition. That is the top tier model of the Dodge Ram. So you have the ST, the SLT, and then you also have the Laramie. So Laramie being the top. You also have a power sliding rear window there, which is a pretty nice little feature. So the 4x4 engages, works perfectly, has the towing package. Again, another big feature of this truck. No bed liner in this one. So it came without the bed liner. So that goes to show you it wasn't a working truck. It was just, you know, used primarily for a city driving truck, which is good too, because you know it wasn't abused. But the paint, beautiful, nice, smooth and glossy. You have the tinted windows for the rear, and then here's all our power options for the driver's side with an automatic down window for driver only, but locks and side view mirrors, and then you have our power seat. So the seat goes forward and back, and then it has a manual tilt option. It also has power pedals down below, so those, as you can see, are coming towards us, moving away. So power pedals, then you activate the headlights and you push for the fog lights, interior illumination, and your cargo light out back. And then this was just aftermarket brake, trailer brake switch, but we left that intact. It is non-functional, so don't worry about that. Cruise control mounted to the steering wheel, and our steering wheel controls leather wrap steering wheel with wear on the top portion of the steering wheel. So it's not this color, it's a darker color for the wear. Comes with a wood grain interior, nice contrast with the silver. Here's our power sliding rear view mirror. We have dual heated seats, the large dual fold down cup holder, cigarette lighter or power outlet, our 4-wheel drive control switch, standard AC controls, but dual climate control, so driver and passenger have the ability to change temperatures. And then we also have an AM/FM stereo with CD player. Then up top we have voice command, phone connectivity, auto dimming rear view mirror, and then up top we have our compass and temperature gauge, home link for our garage door opener, and then we also have our dual map lighting. And we got vanity mirror for passenger side, and we have vanity mirror for the driver's side. So pretty much all the creature comforts you're gonna need in a truck comes equipped with this Dodge. So it starts up effortlessly. It also has a center console fold down armrest, has a seat belt inside for making this a dedicated seat. So you could fit 3 people up front. And we have no warning lights on the dash. Maintenance required light, but that'll go away when everything's done mechanically with the trucks, but it's good to go. Has let me clear this out. You see the miles. So it has 168,000 original one-owner miles. So good oil pressure, good battery voltage. Car's a quarter of the way warmed up. So we don't want to go crazy on the rev, but we'll give you a little one there. But idles beautifully, no problems, no issues. And AC's ice cold right at the start. Our volume controls are a little finicky for the knob. So we're gonna use the volume controls here behind the stereo. So you have channel, then you have volume, and the same on this side. So you can adjust the radio through your multifunction steering wheel there. So there you have it. Infinity sound system in your 2008 Dodge Ram 1500 Hemi powered 4-wheel drive Laramie edition. You can find this beautiful, ready to go turnkey truck, one owner, exclusively on our website, meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.